Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation on the periodic table. In this presentation, I will provide a brief introduction to the periodic table, including its history, organization, trends, and uses. So let's get started. The periodic table is a chart that organizes all of the known chemical elements. The elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, which is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. The periodic table is also organized into rows and columns. The rows are called periods and the columns are called groups. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. The first periodic table was created by Dmitry Mendeleev in year 1869. Mendeleev arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic weight. He noticed that there were periodic trends in the properties of the elements. Mendeleev left gaps in his table for elements that had not yet been discovered. These gaps were later filled in as new elements were discovered. How is the periodic table organized? The periodic table is organized by increasing atomic number. The elements are also arranged in groups and periods. Elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. They're responsible for the chemical properties of an element. Elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells. Electron shells are the energy levels of electrons. Key groups in the periodic table. Alkali metals, group 1. They are very reactive metals, for example sodium and potassium. Alkaline earth metals are present in group 2 of the periodic table. They are reactive metals, but less than alkali metals. Examples include calcium and magnesium. Transition metals from groups 3 to 12. Elements with diverse properties, and they are often used in industrial purposes. Examples could include iron and copper. Noble gases, group 18, they are inert, which means that they are unreactive gases. Examples include helium and neon. Key properties and trends. There are several trends that can be observed in the periodic table. These trends include atomic radius, ionization energy, electronegativity, and metallic character. Atomic radius is the size of an atom. Ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from an atom. Electronegativity is a measure of how strongly an atom attracts electrons in a chemical bond. Metallic character is a measure of how metallic an element is. The periodic table is used by chemists to predict the properties of elements. For example, if a chemist knows that an element is in the same group as sodium, they can predict that it will be a soft, silvery metal that is very reactive. The periodic table is also used to understand the relationships between elements. For example, the periodic table shows that the elements in the same period will have the same number of electron shells. This means that the elements in the same period will have similar chemical properties. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.